was Hallelujah, written by Leonard Cohen, that you can hear in the movie Shrek. This one's going to be using eighth note triplets in our right hand, and the melody will also be incorporated within the chords. The left hand is also going to be doing some stuff by itself as well. So let's get started. So we will start with the right hand for the verse on a C major chord, and here it is slowly. Raise the fifth finger up to an A in the right hand to make an A minor first inversion, and the left hand travels down B and A. Back to C major. And again to A minor. Now we're going to hit G's with both of our fourth fingers to F second inversion. To a G9, fingering 1, 2, 5. To a G first inversion, fingering 1, 2, 5. C major. Left hand's going to go in a triplet, B, A, G, to G, first inversion, and that's the verse. Here it is in real time. Now to note, on the A minor first inversion, you can either use fingering the 1, 3, 5, or you can substitute to your second finger for a proper first inversion fingering of 1, 2, 5. And you can also use the sustain pedal. So I'll play through it one more time with the pedal and show the alternate fingering as well. Now we have the pre-chorus. We will now be using the broken chords, and we'll be starting on our C major chord with the right hand. F second inversion, G second inversion, A minor second inversion, to an F, D and C with the pinky, fifth finger and fourth finger, to G, to an E first inversion, fingering 1, 2, 5, A minor second inversion to finish. So in real time, that sounds like this. Now we have the chorus, where you're going to hear a lot of the melody incorporated into the chords. So We're going to start with a F major second inversion, but we're going to have two notes leading into it as part of the melody. So E and G with fingers 2 and 4. To F. Now A and G with fingers 5 and 4 in the right hand. To A minor. Back to fingers 2 and 4 on E and G. To F second inversion. A and G again. To C second inversion. Fingering 1, 2, 4 to an F with the pinky. To G. C and B with fingers 4 and 3. C second inversion to a G. So in real time you have here is all the parts to Hallelujah in a row.